Rainy and stormy day in Da Nang. Today in Da Nang, the weather is very rainy and stormy. The sky is dark, and thick gray clouds cover the whole city. Heavy rain falls all day, and strong winds blow from the sea. You can hear the loud sound of thunder, and see bright flashes of lightning in the sky. The streets are wet, and water flows along the sidewalks. Many people wear colorful raincoats and use umbrellas when they go outside. Motorbikes move slowly because the road is slippery and dangerous. Some trees bend in the strong wind, and small branches fall on the ground. The air feels cool and fresh, but the storm makes it difficult to travel or go to work. Boats stay near the harbor because the waves are too high and rough. Schools and shops close early, and the city becomes quiet. Most people stay at home, drink hot tea, and watch the rain from their windows. Children read books or play games indoors. Everyone hopes the storm will pass soon, and that tomorrow will be bright, warm, and sunny again. After the rain, Da Nang will look clean and beautiful, with fresh air and a clear blue sky.
Questions and answers. What is the weather like in Da Nang today?
It is very rainy and stormy.
What color are the clouds in the sky?
The clouds are thick and gray.
Where does the strong wind come from?
The strong wind blows from the sea.
Why do people wear raincoats and use umbrellas?
Because it is raining heavily outside.
Why do motorbikes move slowly?
Because the road is slippery and dangerous.
What happens to the trees during the storm?
Some trees bend in the wind, and small branches fall down.
Why do boats stay near the harbor?
Because the waves are too high and rough.
What do most people do at home during the storm?
They drink hot tea and watch the rain from their windows.
What do children do when they stay indoors?
They read books or play games.
What do people hope for after the storm?
They hope tomorrow will be bright, warm, and sunny again.